In this video, I'm trying something different. In my first video, I shared with you guys how to use OpenClaw, how to install it in your local machine. Today, I'm going for some work outside my home. My OpenClaw is running on my MacBook. First, I'll give you some context of what I'm doing today. I recorded a video on Friday and on weekend I edited it, which you are gonna watch it before this. If you haven't watched it already, I dropped the link in the description so that you can watch it and understand about OpenClaw and all other agentic AI orchestration and run your own OpenClaw on your laptop. I recorded this video. I have edited it. Today, I just asked my OpenClaw, so let's work on the distribution. Now my idea is to write a LinkedIn post, Twitter thread, 2-3 clips on Instagram so that I can spread this idea and ask people to join my free school community. So it's kind of an experiment which I'm doing with OpenClaw. Today I decided I will not touch my anti-gravity or Claude code. I'll spend my entire day with OpenClaw and let's see if we can build a redistribution. I'm using OpenClaw for 60 days. I have edited it. I have done lots of things. So today I decided I will not overcomplicate things, which I'm happy to do that. That's the way I learn. I want to use Telegram, and when my Telegram bot needs some access, which it cannot perform directly from Telegram, it will write commands for me and I'll paste that on my terminal if I find them safe. I spent last 2 hours giving it proper access because I'm using a brand new instance. I see that when I asked it what were we doing on Friday, it forgot. I'll show you more once I'm back on my laptop. So the idea is I gave it transcript my first video. Let's see how well we can write content to distribute it. Let's see what OpenClaw thinks about it. I'm almost at Tim Hortons to pick up a coffee. I started talking to OpenClaw while I was at home, but the output was very generic. I didn't like it, so I thought, let's go and grab a coffee and talk to OpenClaw from Telegram. And I'm not using any server or any Mac mini to run it. See if my laptop can do work for me while I'm outside my home. I give the prompt to my Telegram bot and I give the specific instruction. Let's see how it performs. I asked about some feedback questions and let's see. I'm back now and I will show you what I was doing here. This is Friday. I recorded my first video and gave it the transcript to create distribution for this. And it comes up with ideas. Then on next day, I said hi. And after editing, I gave it my transcript again. It said, okay, got it. Stored in a memory. Then give me executive summary and those kind of things. Give me some ICP pain points which I targeted. It was good information. Then I asked it what are our next steps. Gives me few options. Initialize the ecosystem, draft content, batch process, wait for video 2 and 3 transcripts, then run full intel sweep. This is bullshit. So I told it, let's work on YouTube publication distribution of videos. What are your ideas on promoting this video? Every video from now is like a huge deal to distribute and promote. It gives me the title, description on YouTube and a thumbnail concept. Then it gives me distribution metrics, Twitter, LinkedIn, newsletter, paid, school monetization hooks. It was really good information. Then I said, go ahead. Delivering YouTube ASS plus distribution content now. It gives me detailed information on how to write my description, Twitter thread, and even a nurture sequence. I never asked about it, but it said if somebody joined the school, we have a 3 email nurture system, which is really good advice. So today, on 9th March, I asked it, good morning, let's start the Monday. And I told him that I have edited my video. This was surprising. Like, it was doing a really good job. And today, it forgot. Published that video. It asked what platform. I was like, what? Then I asked it, you forgot everything. What were we doing before this? I haven't forgotten anything. We haven't started yet. So there's nothing, right? I told it that I shared my entire transcript with you, bro. You're right. Then it gives me some bullshit. Then I, holy shit, check out last session. Then I say I can only see one session. Oh, that's the roadblock. Then I give it some session ID so that I can access the different session, and I go back and forth. I give it the first workflow. You will be my master agent, and all other sub agents will be your co-workers. Then it says there is some restriction. It limits me to the same session. Then I ask about the command. It gives me some commands. I run it. I face some error on terminal. I pasted the terminal output. So I decided not to touch Cloud Code or anything. I'll just debug it from Telegram and using my terminal. It gives me this, which worked, and I restarted. I asked about it. Hey, what we did on Friday? He again said that session exists but shows 0 messages. Empty history. Either the session was created but never populated. I'm like, hell bro. I went back to my terminal and wrote OpenClaw sessions. And this is what was weird. I think there was some issue on Friday and before that. If you see here, it says unknown. There's nothing here. But it gives me this IDs. So what I did this time after running this command, now one thing is fixed, that it can refer to previous sessions. It's not limited to the current session itself, which is very limiting. Then I said stop. I restarted my OpenClaw. Then I said hi at 11:50. Right now it's around 2:18 p.m. Right? So it says previous session, I'm back. Where do you want to pick up? Still hunting for that Friday YouTube work or something new. It means in the starting of this new chat, it remembers what we were talking about in previous chat. So this thing is fixed. I thought, okay, let's give it the transcript again. I gave it all the transcription. It said full transcripts received, video positioning, LinkedIn format. Then to create a thumbnail, but I don't give it OpenAI API. Then I'm like, okay, let's go for a coffee. When I go away from my laptop, I come back to my terminal and say caffeinate, and it will stop my laptop to go on sleep. This trick gave it from the Tim Hortons packing, and it comes up with this strategy, and it asked me some questions before I execute. So lead magnet, format, PDF guide, Notion page, school post, comment CTA. I don't like it. Shorts quantity. How many shorts do you want scripted? I can do 5 to 7 from the transcript. No, I don't want to record them again. TikTok, Insta, need different hooks. That's a good idea. School funnel, free tiers, gets the guide. Paid tier gets what? Direct access to you, the multi-agent templates. What I can deliver right now. LinkedIn post. Start with the token burn short. Okay, so as you see, I have uploaded my YouTube video and let me give it some answers. These are some of the thoughts. I want a PDF guide. CTA will be OpenClaw, and I don't want to record any short video. I want to repurpose what I have already recorded. If you think that coming up with the platform specific hooks and rewriting and recording the video for those platforms, I can do that also. Now I have already uploaded my video on YouTube. First we'll finish our YouTube title, thumbnail, description, tags, and whatever you think is required for our YouTube video. And I want the description in a way that it is optimized for artificial engine optimization. Let's start working on it. For YouTube title options, I like this. First option, I burned 139 million tokens in 24 hours. I'm gonna use this one. But I think I burned 1 billion tokens in last 60 days. Testing OpenClaw is what I found. I can work on this. I need to change a lot of things here, but it's a good start. Okay, go to other creators, YouTube description. and tags and titles, research from there, and suggest me ideas based on what is already working and what other creators are doing. Come on, man, you already have it. I gave you Brave API. Holy hurt. When it do things like this, it is highly annoying, and I question myself, why don't I move to Cloud Code? And I could have done this thing within 20 minutes. I have spent almost all my day. It's 4 p.m. right now, and still. Oh my goodness. Let's see. There's no tools. So as you see, this cannot access Google search or cannot do competitor analysis for me. I'll take care of that later on. Then I said, okay, use Nano Banana and create a thumbnail for me. Then it goes and again same, like I cannot do it, but it gives me this thumbnail. So I copy this thumbnail, and when I copied that into my Gemini app, it gives me this. It looks really cool. So I gave it, okay, use my image, but it cannot use this image because of some content regulations. So I give it a screenshot from a video, and it forgot that we are talking about the thumbnail. I edited prompt which OpenClaw gave me, and it gives me like this. But all these logos were not correct. Remove the logos. Then I downloaded this, put it into my Canva, and put all the logos like this. It looks good. I think it's good to go. I don't want to waste my time. It's almost 5:30 here. Let me download this. I downloaded it, and I've already improved this description and all. Let's see how it looks. Oh, it looks good. Okay, that's fine. It looks good. I uploaded it. Now this video is good to go, but I'll take some time further to improve my description, tags and stuff later. Now my thumbnail, title, description looks good, but I'll take some more time to manually edit them. You see, OpenClaw so far doesn't help much, to be honest. But I think if we complete one video and the entire process, then for next video, we'll automate the entire thing using OpenClaw. And I'll show you later. Now I'm gonna go to gym, and I'll think about the LinkedIn post and angles and stuff, and give it to OpenClaw over my Telegram. My laptop will keep going on. Okay, I'm driving to my gym. It's around 10-15 minutes, and I'm already having some ideas of how I'm gonna promote this and how I'm gonna navigate OpenClaw from now. I reached my gym. Let me show you something. I just came out of my gym, and I got an idea that in my video I have covered around 20 different topics. So what I told my Telegram bot is that use each chapter, use my way of explaining the concepts, and write one post per chapter. So it will be around 20 posts, I guess. And then I think I'll repurpose it using Descript, or I'll use Telegram bot to say, okay, from my transcript, give me the clips which I can use as a short form content. So let's see. Okay, this is the conversation I had with my Telegram bot when I was outside the gym. I have created thumbnails using Gemini app and your prompt with modifications. These are my video timestamps. Use each chapter as one takeaway. per post and write LinkedIn post. Use my style of speaking and explaining from my transcript. I gave it all the timestamps. Then it created LinkedIn post and give me around 10 posts. Then I notice it doesn't have any CTA, which is waste of time. Then I tell it, write few posts where CTA is watching my full YouTube video and also use my transcript and chop out the concept so that I give that to my Descript agent, which can extract out those clips from my main video. Then I started driving back home and it gives me timestamp, hook scripts, watch full video CTs, which looks really good. I'll test this with my Descript now for repurposing. I'm not delegating all the process to OpenClaw right now, like editing the videos, those kind of things, which I can add in future experiments. But right now I'm just seeing the capabilities of OpenClaw for my use case. It gives me lots of good answers. Then I came back to work at around 10 p.m. after 3 hours. I said it, okay, whatever strategy you are making, create a new file. Name it video 1 distribution MD. And write all LinkedIn post scripts for short form, new videos and repurpose video school post, whatever it suggested me the entire day. I tell it to put it into a document. So it keeps going on. Write everything. It was a very big process, as you see. Wow. All right. Still going on. Week 3 post, okay. Still working. It also gave me school course outline, which I don't like much. It worked almost for 3 minutes and gave me all the information. I couldn't record the video in night. This was my day 1. It gives me lots of information. I posted my video with the thumbnail and edited description and title, but I have not started spreading it. That's my today's task. I might use some information from it. Today, 10th March, it's around 2:30 right now. I just got free to work on this. And you know what happened today? I tell it, give me the path of the file. Like, where can I find it in my machine? And it said, which file? I'm like, this is how my morning started yesterday. You cannot do this with me. So I think it is creating new session every time. But this is like, if I start my everyday like this, there's no point of having this personal agent. So I need to work on it. Now I have two choices. Either I keep working on this or I use my anti-gravity or Claude code and get done with my task in hand. Use some of the information from this. I can give the session information like what I talked to Tony Stark on Telegram using OpenClaw. I have connected those sessions with my anti-gravity and Claude code also. So they know what I did the entire day and we can start from there. And that is the power of this ecosystem. One tool is like unreliable. Then you use your mature tools and start from there. Sharing information is a huge issue. Like I can give it to Gemini and or Cloud Code. It's a hassle. I don't want to do that. I just want to move from one employee to other employee. But both of them have access to the same workspace. I will share those information in my lab. You can join that. I also use scheme.com. Give it my transcript and said, just convert it into a lead magnet and see how it worked. It has its own skills, pre-packaged. This is not OpenClaw. This is Kimi inbuilt features. And this is the final outcome in one shot. And it is a Microsoft Word doc. I loved it. Now I'll use this as a lead magnet. I'll edit it further. But at least I have a really good start from here. This is what I expected from OpenClaw. I spent entire day. I have 3 CTAs now. First is joining my free community. Second, sharing this video. Third is this OpenClaw Mastery Playbook. Let's see how it goes, how the campaign goes. I'll record what I'm doing today also. It will be a new video after this. Please like, subscribe and comment whatever you want me to do here. In this case, when every day it is like a new OpenClaw, that's a huge disappointment for me, or I'm making some mistake. If you have solved this problem, share your feedback in my school community or in the comments of this YouTube video. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for your time.